Hi Diego, I want to show you how to use internet correctly. So I made a manual. Can you read it please?
Yes, kids had to be careful. Dangers of the internet. In this manual we will explain you the dangers of using internet. Internet manual. Dangers of the internet. Hackers, virus, fake news, state of money. To avoid internet dangers, use password to avoid hackers steal your information. Write password to all of your accounts.
Diego, to avoid hackers having your information, we have to write a password. Now, we have an account on Facebook where you have to write a password to enter to the account. Can you write any password that you have in mind?
Yes!
Well, as you can see, Diego wrote the wrong password. Now, let's just refresh the Facebook page, and now Diego write the correct password, please. Well, as you can see, Diego entered to my account. It is easy, but you have to remember always the password. Thank you, Diego. Now, Diego, that we have a password, can you read us the next step?
Yes. Check if the website has a padlock. If the website has a padlock in the manual's website is secure, and if it doesn't have emails, there are some risks.
Diego, for example, you want to see a movie and you want a website that has padlock. So let's see what are your choices. You want to see a movie that has a website that has a padlock.
Yes.
Well, as you can see, Netflix is the very best option to see a movie. Now let's go to the second option. Well, as you can see, 1, 2, 3 movies, there isn't a padlock. So it means that it can have virus or some hackers, so we don't want risk. Now that you have seen that a padlock website is better than a website that doesn't have padlock, now let's go to the next step. Can you read it please?
Yes. Buy in the pages that has certificate. Before buy something on the internet to an adult and see if it has an official certificate. For explain a bank or pipeline.
Well, Leo, so you want to buy a Funko Pop. Now, as the manual says, you have to go to... Now, let's go with Alexa. She will explain us how to use paraphrase, so we are not using plagiarism.
Football, also called association football or soccer, game in which two teams of 11 players using any part of their bodies except their hands and arms try to maneuver the ball into the opposing team's goal. Only the goalkeeper is permitted to handle the ball and may do so only within the penalty area surrounding the goal. The team that scores more goals wins.
You. I will show you now some apps that what will help you at school. First, we have Google Classroom that will help you with your teachers that can let you some assignments or homework there. So I will show you how to create a class. Can you please put create class? Thank you. Put I have read. Now put a name of the class. Move, okay. Now the class is creating. Now you have to put here, and now you have your class. Teachers use this app so you can upload assignments or homeworks. Thank you, Diego. In conclusion, I think it is very important to have information, but we need to know where do we take our information, because we can be in a legal problem like plagiarism and copyright. I chose the topic of kids because I think they are the people that are less informated, so I think it is very important kids know about this information.